Hey guys, welcome back to Build, Race, and Repair. For today's project, a little small project, I'm actually going to show you how to replace the battery in a 2015 to 2020 Cadillac Escalade remote, and I'm sure this will follow over into some of the other remotes as well, but as far as this one is concerned, that's what these cover. As we got into the vehicle today, the dash let us know that the battery was showing low. So I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it before it becomes an issue. All right, so the first step of removing this guy, there's a button on the side. We're gonna press that button and pull the backup key out. Once the backup key is out of your way, I got a little regular screwdriver here. So for the regular screwdriver, if you look inside here, do not just use the side. I see other people trying to use this little slot here where the key came out of, and sometimes it will tear or pop the cap. What I'm looking to do is right here in the center where it's a little shallower, you put it right flat into that piece and just do a light twist, and it'll pop right up. There you go. All right, so the battery you need is the 2032. It's a 2032 battery. You can use the same screwdriver that you just used. And I always note the direction that these are pushed in. So on this one, the positive is down. The rounded part of it is pointed up. So I'll show you once this one's up. As you can see, 2032. And the plus goes down back into it. So let me get this one. It's the new one. Just put it back in line. Just give it a little squeeze, pop right back into place, not a problem. And then as far as aligning it with the new, there's a little hitch right here at the top. I like to align those first. So put the top piece right there on the top and then just let it close and slowly squeeze. And it'll clip right back in. Very simple, very quick. Then you put the backup key back in. And it's good to go. Let me see. Yep, I hear the vehicle. It's good to go. All right, so this will be just a little short video just to help out. If you like these little short videos, just giving you little tidbits of information, or all the way into full builds of vehicles, the races that we're going to be doing, and then repairs on all types of repairs, whether it be daily drivers, brakes, oil changes. We're going to be doing a little bit of everything. We'll try to post it on here to keep content rolling and try to have something for everyone. All right. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. We appreciate you.